Hey, Tyler. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, guys. We're back. It's been a minute. But look.
What did I already forget? Something very important for this morning.
The cage. I said that, yeah.
I forgot all about it already. All right, guys, we're back. It's been a minute. Honestly, we've just been dealing with life, so we're just doing our own thing and getting stuff done, but we're gonna be firing back up on this stuff. Me and Tyler are gonna get a few things done on the BMW here in the upcoming weeks. We're gonna go to drift school. That'd be pretty cool. And this car is gonna go out for Cage, so you'll be seeing that content going on. We're gonna learn how to weld a little bit, so that'll be pretty cool. And yeah, so we're loading up now. Hunter's here, thank God, because I don't know how to tow shit. But gang. We just had some breakfast tacos. We're gonna get loaded up and we're gonna be on our way. So I'll let you know when we're getting there. So I'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, so we're finally unloaded and we got the cage kit all out and we're trying to just line it up and see which way it goes. We got the plates in where we believe they go. Tyler's just going over with this guy about, his name's Keith, he's a cool guy. He's like welded for Honeywell for like years and all types of stuff, and like he can TIG weld really good. So we're just kind of all gonna work together to figure this out. He can weld and we kind of know how this cage is sets up. So that's our plan. But right now we're laying all the pieces out and then we can kind of figure it out because there's like labels on it. I'll show you real quick.
He's like super smart, but he doesn't shove it down your throat.
So there is labels somewhere. Oh, okay. There's labels right here that tell you which section goes to what. So that's what we're trying to figure out right now, so we can kind of like lay this up because we're trying to get it tacked, because obviously Keith's going to be the one welding it, not us. That's,
you're talking to
that's Keith. Say hi, Keith.
Who are you talking to?
YouTube. This is a camera.
Oh, you're making a thing.
You don't have to be on it if you don't want to.
No,
but yeah, so Keith is the man for us. We don't know how to TIG weld, but he's going to teach us apparently. And then we'll just be the ultimate YouTube mechanics. So we're going to get set up. I'm going to shut up and then I'm going to talk to this guy and see what we're going to do. So I'll get back to you in a minute. So right at the moment, what he's having me do is clean all the surface. I mean, this looks dirty, but I did clean it. There's a lot of carnage in here. It's not from us. It's from having to get the old one out that like those front plates that I don't even know what the guy was really thinking, but I got to get them out. So I'm grinding them out now, but here, you can come around here and show them these. We're getting these set right so he can kind of just give them a little tap, but these are set. You obviously want...
I was gonna say, thanks for your hand.
What you want is you want it like about right there so you can lay your bead through here. And then once that's set, we'll run it through all the way around. And then we can start kind of laying the pipe where we want it, and then we'll go from there. But right at the moment, me and Keith are just working on getting it clean. I'm obviously already running this guy around, getting me tools, unfortunately for him. But yeah, we're having fun, so update in a minute. Alright, unfortunately I gotta get going home. I have to go to work, but we got a lot done today. We got it prepped. The guy really like kind of understands now what's going on. I tried to explain to him as best I could. I mean, what do I know? But we seem to have got everything mocked up where he wanted, and I had to clean a few things. I got to bring back a few tools to clean up the floor a little more, but we're essentially ready to go. So I mean, you'll see it in a second, but I guess for us it's going to be next.
It don't matter. They'll see it when they see it. YouTube magic.
Like literally a week or two. But we'll be back, and we're going to like just hammer down, and he's going to teach us how to TIG weld and stuff. So super excited, to be honest with you. And that's about it. But me and Tyler got a long ass job to go home to, so I'll see you later.